Can you believe it? If I say you can earn $300 a day by simply tapping names online. Yes, it can happen. So, here is exactly how it works. For example, you type a name or word joy and you make money, and when you type another name, for example Belly, boom, you get paid again. And the good news is that it is 100% free method to earn money online. When you type one page of names, you can make $15, and you type 5 pages, you can get paid $75. And when you type 20 pages a day, you can earn $300. And the base is here is no limit. You can type as much as you want and as much as you earn money online through this method. And you can do this on your computer or smartphone, and it's available worldwide. So make sure watch till the end of the video to don't miss the sign up process, because it's very tricky. Most people don't succeed to do. So here you can see that your dream career startups now. So they have providers work with popular brands and earn money online from home without invest a damn. So here you can see it's how it works. Explore jobs, select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. And get hired with the talent desire. You can work and start work easily doing work at home and collect your earning boom in your PayPal or via transfer if you don't have PayPal account in your country. So here you can see that online proofreading jobs, they have online proofreading job. If you don't want to type any kind of, you can proofread and you can earn 10.50 to $37 more per hour. As your skilled experience, you will grow your earnings. And they have bunch more freelance jobs. So here you can see freelance blogging job, language translating job, online paid service job, medical transcription jobs. And here we come up here, content writing job. You should expert to up to 50 to $120. So we are here only for typing job. You can see here you can earn up to 45 to $90 or per day. As your skill experience, you can earn $300 a day. So as we come up on this website to earn by simple typing job, so come up on bottom of the website, you can click here typing job, and here you can see a wonderful way to earn money online with your typing skill. If you want to earn some extra money home, you can come up here. So here you can see they will pay you 13,500 to 70 to $27,000 or more per year. As your skill and experience grow, your bank balance will be automatically grow here. And they are giving us, I expect minimum work of 1125 per month you can earn from here. And they have provided us worldwide part-time and full-time jobs. So here you can see they are providing levels of earnings. As a beginner you can earn 0.010, and as an intermediate you will increase your earning, and professional earning and expert earning. And they are providing per page 15 pages per hour you can earn up to $3. Expected earning per day and per week and hours you have $90. So here is a bonus tip for you. Come upon datatype.com and make your account, sign up here, and when you sign up on this website, provide your name, email address, password and sign up. Boom, and click here typing test. So when you click here, you can see they are providing certificate for typing. silver certificate you have to complete 40 words per minute 96 percentage, and gold and platinum 70 words per minute 99.5. The when you have a certificate of data type, you can provide to them talent desire. They will give you a handsome amount of money to you just typing jobs. So here is you can be confused, so how to register on talent desire to get paid. So here we can come up on this website and you can log in here. When you click login, you will be on this page. You can here for your, so you can click here to register on this website. Here you can see there is no any option to get register on this website. So here is a trick. Whenever you come upon, you can click on apply for a job. Whenever you click here, pop up and another direction, you can click here select an application form. Whenever you click, you will be on another page and click online application form. Whenever you click here we go, they are providing you the online application form for your typing job. So here it is. Accept first name, last name, email, contact number, residence, country, and prefer by typing job. You can click here typing job. So the main thing is payment receiving option. So here you can see PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, and skill. So if any country don't have PayPal, they can go with the Payoneer. Payoneer is worldwide available. So whenever you click payment option, and the next option is current profession status. So here you can see you can click self-employed and click yes, I have read and accept the statement and I am not report and submit. Boom, here you will get you register on this website and go to the bottom of this website and complete your information. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, comment down below and let me know, are you enjoying your money or not. Thanks for watching.